Okay, so I've got it running again. It's up to operating temperature. I just decided to take my stick, which is a piece of string from my old weed eater, and stick it in the Stator valve. I got pressure out. I mean, nice pressure. Then it started running like crap, so it almost sounds like it can't maintain the pressure. It's been running like that for, Jesus, 10 minutes. Just shut it off. That's it. That's nothing. I mean, that's really nothing. I don't know.